Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 4 minus 1 parenthesis 4 minus 1. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you are new in my channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel for more videos. So firstly we can know about PEMDAS, where P stand for parenthesis, E stand for exponent, M stand for multiplication, and D stand for division. A and S stand for addition and subtraction. In PEMDAS, parentheses have higher priority than other operation. So before in this expression other operation, we can first solve parentheses. So 4 minus 1 parenthesis 4 minus 1, which is 3. 4 minus 1 times 3, which is equal to 3. Now again 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to the channel for more videos.